English challenge. Cooking. Which spelling is correct? Recipe. Complete the sentence with the correct word. I'm going to bake an apple pie for dessert tonight. Which word is the odd one out? Siphoned, because boiled, poached, and scrambled are ways of cooking eggs. Siphoned is not used with eggs. What word do I say? Melt. Melt. Melt is a verb that means to make something become liquid through heating. You can melt butter in a frying pan. Write the verb in its correct form. To grate. He accidentally cut his finger while he was grating some cheese. Write a homophone for flour. Flour. What are the verbs in this sentence? I marinated the steak in a mixture of soy sauce and spices to add flavor to it. Marinated and add are the verbs in the sentence. Which phrasal verb is correct? I'll just whip up some pasta for dinner. Whip up is an informal phrasal verb that means to quickly prepare food, especially something simple or quick. Listen and write what I say. There were many desserts on the menu. There are many desserts on the menu. There are many desserts on the menu. Be careful, dessert is written with 2 S's. Complete the sentence with the correct word. Sprinkle icing sugar over the cake. How many did you get correct?